Alright, so right now I'm going to go and do this problem. And put this information over here. Alright, so let's get our table ready. Probability of A is 1/2, so A bar is also 1/2. Probability of NB is 30%, 0.3, therefore B bar is 0.7. And probability of B given A is 0.4. Alright, B given A does not go in the table. What we have to do is to figure this joint probability out, and that'll be probability of A and B is equal to something times the probability of B given A. Alright, since it's conditioned on A here, then the first one will be A. Probability of A is 1/2. B given A is just given to us as 0.4, so that works out to be 0.2. A and B 0.2. Alright, so that's given. Alright, so A and B, the joint probability, then fill out the rest. Okay, and there's our table. Alright, A, part A, find the probability of A and B. Well, we did that to complete our table, and that's the top left-hand corner. Alright, so this number here, or this number here. Probability of A or B. Alright, or the addition rule. Right, and means multiply, or means add. So there's the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A and B. Probability of A is equal to 1/2 plus probability of B 0.3 minus the overlap A and B, top left hand corner again, 0.2, and that's equal to 0.6. Alright, and again from the table, A or B is that. Alright, let's try B. C. Alright, it's the probability of the complement of A given B. Probability of the complement of A given B. Alright, what do we need for that? Well, the top line will be the probability of A bar and B divided by the probability of B, since it's conditioned on the left hand side. So A bar and B is this one here, 0.1, divided by the probability of B, 0.3, it's 1/3. Okay. And part D, given that A has occurred, what's the probability of the complement of B? Probability complement of B given that A has occurred. Okay, just to make sure of that. Given that A has occurred, so that's the condition. Find the probability of B. Right, so we could rewrite part D as asking the probability of the complement of B given that A has occurred. Right, and going through the same routine, that'll be the probability of A and B bar divided by the probability of what's conditioned over there, A. So probability of A and B bar is 0.3 divided by the probability of A, 0.5. Alright, so the answer to that is 0.6. And that's that problem.